I accidentally missed the freighter Gaia Desgagnes, but we get a little back shot of it. Sorry about that, had to adjust the tripod. That's the Gaia Desgagnes, and then the John G. Munson's right there unloading at McLeod.
Oh, okay.
I like your scoot. I've got one.
I used to sail on those boats.
There's actually one.
Enamored by the boat.
Yeah, there's one actually coming around the corner right now from Algonac. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
There's the John G. Munson. Sorry, I'm centering the camera. Well, tubers, thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye, and enjoy the video of the freighter Gaia Desgagnes. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what I'll come up with next. And also, share the video with your friends. Bye.